being attacked by kids! I have to get out of here! Portal! Where's the unicorn? Doesn't matter! Huh? Hi, y'all!
Huh?
Where am I? Look at this college! Why mess up the walls? Watch out! Don't trip! I have an idea! I'll transform this bully college into a unicorn college! Let's go! Welcome! You have a new bright uniform! Here are your rainbow ties! Fold the white bandana and gather it like this. Tie rubber bands around it. Soak it in rainbow shades of fabric dye. Try them on.
Huh?
Stupid scarf! I always wanted a bandana, but I never knew how to tie it. This is gonna take a while. Soap for you and for me. Rub it on the board and the teacher won't be able to write. We're so evil. How much longer? I don't like this. Watch closely. Here she comes. Everyone's here? Great! Let's begin! That's weird. The chalk isn't writing. The plan worked. There's something wrong with the board. This is hilarious. Did you do this? Unicorn power, help me! This sponge will clean the board fast. Done! It's raining! My bad! I'll teach you how to make candy. Mix happiness and joy and add a drop of a secret ingredient. Done! Now you go! I see! Mix all the ingredients together. Simple as that!
Ooh.
That's crazy! It worked!
Whoa.
Huh?
What have you done? I've always wanted to do this. Me too. A guitar. Finally! You made a huge mistake. First, you gotta combine these liquids.
Huh?
Help me! I'm your unicorn professor. I flew here on a rainbow. Your task is to bring me as much candy as possible. Great, Mark! So funny! Here comes my horn. The horn is stuck. Unicorn's here! Hi, guys.
Huh?
Who is it? Mark? What are you doing here? Take your seat.
Okay.
Let's get our Mexican-style class rolling. Where's Unicorn? We're too early. She fell asleep under the desk. How do we wake her up?
Ooh.
Let's play some music. Everyone, play as loud as you can. It didn't work. Any ideas? Oh yeah, protective glasses. Hit the emergency button. That was a bad idea. Unicorn's still asleep. I quit. In that case, it's candy time. Candy. Thanks. Let's get started. You're taking your exam today. And I'll check your homework. Though I'm too lazy to give grades. A magic unicorn stamp will do that for me. Coat a piece of white fur with different fabric colorings. Attach it to a night chess piece after it dries. Create a unicorn silhouette on foam paper using thin strips of black foam paper. Attach it to the base of the piece. Make a horn out of glitter foam paper. Thanks! You have been very helpful. It's fine like that. What am I supposed to answer? Time's up. Turn your papers in. Mark, an F. Ashley, an F. Why? Check my test. Let's see. Perfect. Thank you. What? Is that a unicorn? It stands for A+. I have an idea. Cute stamp, right, Mark? Everyone has to know how smart you are. You turned into a unicorn. Hi, guys. How many unicorns did you count? 1, 2, or maybe 3? Comment below. Let's hang it higher. Perfect. Unicorn's coming. What should we give her? What about a phone?
Huh?
No. A book is the best present. Nope. She's here. I know. Huh? Cookies and milk. Happy birthday! Is this for me? Thank you! Cookies! I love these! And milk! It made me sleepy right away! Sweet dreams! Look! She's dreaming! She wants a unicorn Eos Lip Balm as a gift! We'll give it to her! Happy birthday! You are so sweet! Cover an Eos Lip Balm in primer. Attach a glitter foam paper horn. Add decorative flowers and ears. Draw eyes and add a keychain fastening. It actually looks better than in my dream. Listen up. I am so sleepy. She's falling asleep. We gotta do something. But what? I know. Give unicorns some coffee. Now! Wrap a straw in light clay to make a horn. Make a spiral hollow using a toothpick. Paint the clay gold after it hardens. Put the straw in a cup. Attach artificial flowers to a strip of foam paper and attach it to the cap. Make foam paper eyes and ears. It's for you! So kind! Ew! So bitter! Whoops! Sorry! This coffee needs some sweet marshmallows! Now we're talking! Get your notebooks ready and write this down! Hi, y'all! I forgot all my stuff at home. Ashley, can I borrow a pen? Thanks! Do you have paper? Awesome! How can you possibly study like that? A new notebook is just the thing for you. Cut a thin magnet into strips and attach colored paper. Glue the strips to a white notebook. Add letters and put together the word rainbow. Make openings in a crayon and glue in magnets. Attach it to the notebook. Whoa! Thanks! I'll go with purple. Your graduation medals! Time flew by! I'll miss you! Good luck! Here's your order! Your double hot dog! You made it! You started your own business! I am so proud of you! See ya! Bye! My favorite graduates! Guys, what do you think you should do to get into Unicorn College? Leave your ideas down below.